Hi, my name is Tanusha Manakaran. Currently, I'm doing Diploma in Logistic Management at MSU, which is Management and Science University. So today, I'm about to interview Mr. Praveen for our assignment 1, which is Operation and Management. Hi, Mr. Praveen. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Okay, my name is Praveen Raj. I'm working as a senior production engineer in Meva Oils. I've been working for the past 10 years with Meva.
Okay, so hi, sir. Really glad to hear from you. So can we start the interview now? So our first question from the interview is, how does your company define quality in its products and also services?
Okay, so if it comes to the quality, basically it will be like QMS, so quality management system. So each of the company will follow their own QMS system. So for us, we are following ISO 9001. Okay, so beside that, customers needs our basic, our basic priority. Okay, so based on customers' needs, so we will modify the oil based on their specification, and then we deliver to them.
So my second question is, which quality management system, which is the QMS that you stated just now, does your organization use? Can you tell it more clearly?
Okay, as I mentioned just now on the first question, we are using ISO, we are following ISO 9001, MS ISO 9001 standard. Okay, so basically we are a food manufacturing company, so there are extra standards that we are following as well, such as FSSC 22000, MSPO, RSPO, and Good Manufacturing Practice GMP plus B2. Yeah, B2 is for animal feed.
Understand. So my third question, which is the last one, is how do you assure adherence to industry quality standards?
So okay, basically we will ensure that the adherence to the quality system based on our certification by third party. Usually we will apply for the certificate, which is ISO 9001 and FSSC everything. Beside that, we will also conduct our internal audit and external audit. From our side, we will be conducting internal audit, and from the third party, they will conduct the external audit to ensure that we are compliant with the standards that we are practicing. Besides that, we will also ensure that we are giving the proper training to our employees so that we can meet the standards requirement.
Hi, my name is Rakeshwar and I'm from MSU. So I have few questions to Mr. Praveen. So the first question is, could you please explain the importance of leadership in quality standards?
Okay, if you ask me about leadership in quality assurance, okay, as a leader, we must ensure that we are the one has to make all the decision. Usually, will be the final decision. Either they meet the quality before we deliver the product to our customer. So that will be one of the challenging parts. Apart from that, you should encourage your team, and then you should empower your team also. You have to teach them everything from A to Z, so that there will be very clarity. They will have the clarity in making small decisions without depending on you. The most challenging part will be like you have to drive to the continuous improvement. Okay, because continuous improvement will be one of the main factor that could say it will bring your quality to high standard. So because as long as you're doing continuous improvement, so your quality will get on, keep on improve, and then you reach the extent where your product will be the best product. Yeah.
Okay, for the second question is, what are the tools or strategies that you use on track quality processes?
Okay, if you ask tracking for the quality processes, which usually you use a traceability system, which is included in the ISO standard for track down our product if there is any issue in the quality. But apart from that, before we deliver our product to our customer, we will ensure that we have a high frequency of checking the samples before it's moved to the storage tank, and then we deliver to our customer. So you see, we already control our quality over there. To avoid any unreasonable or it's not needed lah. Yeah, something like that.
So for the third question is, how does the organization address quality complaints from the customer?
Okay, once we receive the complaints from a customer, we will ensure that our quality team, which is quality assurance team or quality checking team, will acknowledge the complaint first. So we have to acknowledge that we have received the complaint from them that this particular product is having issue, and then we will try to call off the product that is delivered to them. We'll take back. And then we'll do the checking. Before that, we'll take the sample and then we'll study first to ensure that it's really having an issue. After that, we will go for root cause analysis. So let's say if the product is contaminated or we are having issue with the specs, doesn't meet their customers' needs, so we will continue with our root cause analysis. Yes.
Alright, so good evening. My name is Vishwa. I am also a MSc student. So I just continue my question to Mr. Praveen. Okay, Mr. Praveen. So my next question will be, what action are done to teach personnel in your quality management practices?
Okay, first of all, what we will do, normally we will send them for classroom training. So to get exposure about the quality system, so they will attend the classroom training to know what is ISO 9001, what is the FSSA standards, what are the requirements, what they need to do. So we will send for the basic classroom training. Apart from that, we will also provide them the on-job training from day to day, where usually they will take samples to send to lab for quality checking. So during the time, they need to know what they have to do, how to take the samples in a proper way to avoid contamination. Basically, these are things that we will teach the person. Yes.
Okay, so my next question will be, how do you engage my staff in quality improve their initiative?
Okay, if you ask me about this, normally, so basically, what we will do is we will ensure that we will delegate the task to them to make sure that they have their responsibility to look into the quality. So besides that, we will also try to implement the continuous improvement mindset of them. As a leader, what I will do, usually I will engage with them in like open talk. We'll have an open talk and I will get the feedback from them because they are the one usually run the plant, so they know what are the issues they are facing, and also will ask for their solution, for their opinion in order to rectify the issues, mainly in the quality issues.
Okay, so my next question will be, can you explain how your organization implements continuous improvement?
Okay, to have a continuous improvement, you need to have a gap. Usually you need to have a gap in the process, or you need to have a gap in the quality checking method. So what we will do is, normally we will analyze the complaints that we receive from our customers. This is one of the things that we will do. Apart from that, we will also analyze our process gap. What are we having gaps? What gaps are we having in the process, so that we can produce a better quality oil. So yeah, these are the things that we will do.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Praveen. That's a wonderful interview. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sami Pradeep and I'm also a student. So my next question, I'm going to ask you, how does the organization measure client happiness in terms of quality?
So basically what we will do is, every year we will send the customer survey, customer satisfaction survey form to get their feedback about our services and our products. Besides that, we will also we keep on track on the number of complaints that we receive from the customer. So let's say we'll have a KPI on that, and we will ensure that we will achieve the zero target usually. Zero customer complaint, that's our target. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, my next question, what role does data play in the quality management system?
Okay, if you ask about data in the quality management system, data is something like foundation for the quality management system, because without data you cannot analyze anything. So with the data you can analyze, and then you can improve your quality day by day. Such as like when you're running the oil in the plant, you have your parameters where you need to record your parameters. That's a data. So from there, you can improve day by day. You can improve the parameters, and then you can get a better quality product. Yes. So data is a foundation for the care.
So my next last question.
One.
How do you ensure the quality of your suppliers' product, service?
Okay, once the material from our supplier is received, we will conduct our incoming material inspection first. And then we will check the PDS, product data sheet, whether we receive the correct product or not. And the third one, every year we will conduct a supplier audit. We also need to know that we are following the standards like this.
Okay, so thank you so much.
And to
Hi, my name is Louis Loren. I'm also studying at LSU. So I'm also one of the teammates from the FM group. So hi, Mr. Praveen. So my last three questions. How does technology, automation affect your quality management practice?
Okay. If you ask about automation, now currently we are looking into real-time monitoring. Real-time monitoring is something that you can instantly look at your results. So now, let's say as an example, you're sending the sample for checking, so you don't need to wait for too long. It will be checked, and then they will upload the results into the real-time monitoring. So our operators, they can obtain the result from the place that they see. Like just like they're clicking their computers and then they will know the results. So this is the automation that happens in a quality management system. Yes.
3. Could you provide an example of major quality difficulty that organization has
Okay, if you ask me major difficulty, so far we don't find any difficulties, but we ask challenges just day by day. Every day we face the challenges in producing the oil because there is timeline for us to deliver the oil, So we have to ensure that the product that we deliver is in spec and then meet the customer's needs. So these are the challenges, these are the major challenges that we are facing. Let's say, for an example, you're running an oil now, and then your quality doesn't make the spec, and definitely the lorry that's going to take your oil will come in. So that time we need to ensure that you deliver the product at the right time. So you need to ensure that you make the product in quality within the detailed time frame that they're giving, and then you will deliver the oil to your customers. Yes.